County in southeastern Texas, West Central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of North Cleveland, Oregon, 10 miles northwest of Cleveland, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Humble, Cleveland, Kingwood, Spring, Splendora, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Cut and Shoot, Plum Grove, North Cleveland, Atascocita, Porter Heights, Lake Houston, Northeastern Bush Intercontinental Airport, New Caney, and Porter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.